I'm Heather Rhodes with the Distributed Wind Energy Association, or DWEA, a national trade group for manufacturers, installers, and supporters of wind turbines at places where people live and work. DWEA has a strong history promoting distributed wind, or DWInd, in rural and remote communities, sited mainly behind the meter to reduce energy costs. I'm pleased to introduce AgWind, a groundbreaking technical assistance resource to jumpstart and streamline DWInd development across the U.S., focusing on underserved rural areas and prioritizing disadvantaged communities. Providing free site screening, feasibility analyses, and financing referrals for selected DWInd systems, AgWind is a collaboration between DWEA members, Self-Reliance, and other community-based organizations. AgWind will accelerate DWInd deployment by addressing a key first cost barrier. After establishing the AgWind consultancy, we'll work with communities and engage organizations in regions with good wind resources to provide services pre-qualifying sites for further development. In parallel, we'll pursue additional project funding. We're addressing a major market gap for no-cost, independent, and knowledgeable technical assistance. Wind energy is overlooked in many situations where it can provide lower costs or a better fit for demand. We'll focus first on a pilot in Sinton, Texas, evaluating potential sites including San Patricio's County Fairgrounds and other rural areas around Corpus Christi. We'll expand quickly to focus on rural communities across Texas as well as California, New York, Massachusetts, Ohio, Oklahoma, and other states with high DWInd potential. Installing DWInd requires many steps to determine cost effectiveness and expected performance even before time-consuming and costly work securing permits and interconnection. AgWind will address this challenge with resources and expertise, including an online feasibility tool combining web interfaces with wind resource and geospatial data, together with financial evaluation algorithms. Through an established team of independent wind energy experts serving as paid AgWind consultants, we aim to assist at least 30 potential projects this year, making it easier and more efficient to deploy DWInd systems. Justice 40 opportunities are a key program element, addressing equity and ensuring clean energy access for all. AgWind will empower communities to embrace clean energy, reduce energy burdens, and strengthen economic development.